Hello, good day. This is Liz from Guangzhou Keou Lighting Company. Now my current position is our factory workshop, and now we can see this is our client's products. Adjustable frameless panel light. This is our company patent model, and we can see on the product body we print the logo. We can also print your logo on here. And here we can see that this is our another type of the anti-glare honeycomb panel light. And here is the small power for the anti-glare honeycomb panel light. For this model, we have 4 power total. And let's move to our packaging materials. Here is the material of the color box. And here is the materials of the master carton. And this is the finished model. Yes, and thanks for all the clients to the supporting to KEOU factory. We will do our best to help you to produce more good quality products. And thank you for your watching. Goodbye.